don't give in. Yeah. Miles and miles you will have been.
Well, hello everybody, it's Suffolk Andy here in another gorgeous day in Suffolk. It's about 24 degrees, which is a bit cooler than what we're used to, but oh, it's so much better. At the weekend I went up to Parson, drove up in the Fens. My son Aaron came with me, tackless dribs, with his girlfriend, and we went up to meet Skeggy Cruiser. And what a time we had. It was lovely. We met up with Rob 64 and the Maniac John on his 125. Yes, the Maniac John. And proceeded up and met up with Skeggy. Young Bex was there as well, which was lovely to see. My favourite little girl vlogger. Always a pleasure to see that kid. I tell you, always give her a big old Suffolk hug when I do. And had a hell of a day. It was so damn bloody hot, it was unbelievable. It was actually like being in a furnace. I have never been so hot in all my life. I did do a little bit of recording of the show with my little hand camera, which I'm going to put up in a minute. So I hope you enjoy, and the little trip, or the little walk around Parson Drove classic car and bike show. Well, hello everybody, it's Suffolk Andy here at the Parsons Drove car and bike show. Look at that, eh? And walking around at the moment with Skeggy and Son. There he is, look, Skeggy and Son.
Not Mumford and Son.
No, not Mumford and Son, Skeggy and Son. And we're looking at the Yank tanks because Skeggy likes the Yank tanks. Don't you, Skeggy?
Hoorah!
Hoorah! Look at the size of that. Hey?
That's a boss hog job, isn't it?
Yeah. My word.
Just needs the big horns on the front.
Yeah, it needs something, I think.
Cow horns on the front, that.
The size of that.
It's your sort of thing.
Oh, here's a presidential sort of looking car coming up here with the flags. Look at that. Right, there's one of my old cars. I had one of these. Absolutely fantastic car, loved it. It was really, really good in the day. And it was in the day, trust me, that was a long while ago. The one I had was getting on a bit. Like I say, we've got them all here today. Got Rob there, 64, Skeggy, old man Tony and John. John the man on the 125. Yes, the madman on the 125. The lunatic, yes. Yes, he was trying to get on the back of my wheel on the way up here.
Yeah,
I could tell.
Yeah,
he was trying to get on the back of my wheel, mate. I could tell.
Getting ready, waiting for you to go, so I can keep up with you.
Oh, look at that one, eh?
Found in South Carolina.
Yeah, barn find, wasn't it? Yeah, barn find found in South Carolina. Coming up to my first car. My very first car I ever had. There you go. I bought it for 15 quid. And I passed me testing it. And I took it to the garage and the bloke said, the bottom's rusty, mate. That's got 50 quid's worth of welding on it.
That was a bargain then.
Yeah. So I said, you might as well scrap it then.
Yeah.
And I scrapped it. I wish I hadn't. I wish I'd have kept it now. Oh yeah. Here, one of these, look. Right, there's the old console. One of my favourite cars. In 1962, my Nana won the footballs. She did, she won the footballs with Nana. And my granddad bought a console And when I was a kid, I used to sit in the middle of the front there.
Bench seat.
On the bench seat, yeah. Right there. I used to sit in the middle, my granddad drove and my dad sat there, my nana. Granddad, yeah, column change. Yeah, 1962 he won the footballs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My auntie did back in about 73.
Yeah?
She won, I think it's about 30 odd thousand.
Yeah, I think my nana won 26,000.
But back then that was like winning a million
Oh yeah,
now.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a lot of money.
That was back then.
Yeah, a lot of money. Skeggy! Skeggy! Right, hang on. What's the difference between a console and a Zephyr?
Console 375, your console 375, but more the lower range, and then you go on to your Zephyrs and your Zodiacs.
All right.
Basically.
So what you're saying now with the poor man's car?
Not in front of him, no.
No. Well, that's an old Austin A40. I can remember that as a kid as well, when I was really young. That's what my dad had. One of his first cars. Yeah, I remember going on holiday on it. My mum, my dad, my sister and me, and my granddad and Nana, my auntie and her kids, all in another car. And we used to go miles in these old things. Bloody miles. Oh, this is like Nostalgia Alley here today. Nostalgia Alley. There you go. Old man Tony's on his way home. That's gig.
61 and 53, old man Tony and young man Tony.
Yes, yes.
I realised when I was typing your happy birthday in Facebook, for some reason. Yeah, I'm changing it.
I never noticed. Bobber.
Yeah.
Now a bobber should be built in a man's shed,
Yeah.
you know?
Yeah.
And what a surprise they produce it. But it's no different to the Victory at the Sergeant, you know, the off-the-shelf custom, is it?
No. Right. Bike time now, I'm afraid.
Don't be afraid, never be afraid.
Never be afraid. Never be afraid when it comes to a bike. No fear.
Here then, boy, that's a building.
You can see the line goes down here miles. Oh, Skeggy, I've got one of these in the shed.
Yeah, you're going to give it me, aren't you? I swear blind, that's what you said.
Johnny Cactus wants it as well.
Does he?
Yeah.
He's got enough. He don't need that. Everybody knows where he'd do one.
Yeah, he always says, one Suffolk into another Suffolk and I need your bike.
Yeah. I need your coat.
Yes.
Boots and your motorcycle.
I do.
That's sweet.
Well, everybody, here we are. The end of the Parson's Drove show. There's Skeggy now getting ready to go. Dusty old bit here. It's been a fantastic day. It's been like so hot, man. It's been painful. But like I say, another fantastic day. Doesn't seem 5 minutes ago that I came down this way. A year ago, it's just gone quick. So, all I can say is, all ride safe. All ride safe. Love each other. Something handy.